Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. This is the measurement I am using and you can change it according to your requirement. Hi everyone, today I am going to share you how to cut and stitch a top and a palazzo pant. For that I have taken a 2.5 meter rayon fabric. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. Firstly, I will cut the pant. For that, I am folding the fabric widthwise. I am folding twice in width. Firstly, I will cut the required length from the fabric, so I am marking 35 inches. I am extending these points. Now I will cut it. I am trimming the uneven fabric on the top. From the top, mark 2 inch. I am going to give 1 inch elastic. For that we need 2 inch of space. In the bottom of the fabric, mark 1.5 inch. In my measurement, hip is 28 inch divided by 4 is 7 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance, so I am marking 9 inch. From this point, mark 11 inch. This is the crotch area. I am extending these points. Mark 3 inch. Now I am drawing a slight curve. From this point, mark 9 inch. From this point, I am drawing a slanting line till the crotch area. Now I will cut it. My pant marking is like this. Where you can see the red line, there I am going to cut it. Now I am making small notches. With this, cutting of my pant is complete. Let's start stitching. Now I will make a stitch at the crotch area. Always give double stitch at the crotch area. Similarly, I will finish the other side. Now I will fold the bottom and give a stitch. I am folding the bottom twice and giving a stitch. Similarly, I will finish for the other side. Fold the fabric as shown in the video. I'll make a stitch here. Always give a double stitch here. In the top, fold the fabric twice and give a stitch in order to give a elastic. Now I am inserting an elastic using a safety pin. I am overlapping both the elastic. To secure the elastic, I am making a stitch. I am making a top stitch. With this, stitching of my pant is complete. This is how it looks. I have cut the required length for my top. Draw a straight line to trim the raw edges. Length of my top is 17 inch. Width is 11 inch. Shoulder is 5.5 inch. Neck width is 2.5 inch. From this point, I am marking half inch for shoulder slope. Then I am joining it with the neck width point. Armhole is 6.5 inch. Chest is 7.5 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. From this point, mark 1 inch. Then I am placing an armhole curve and I am marking back armhole. From this point, mark half inch inwards to draw a front armhole curve. From shoulder, mark 9 inch for waist measurement. My waist measurement is 6.25 inch plus 2 inch for seam allowance. Mark 1 inch and draw a slight curve. Then from this point, draw a slight curve till the chest. Front neck depth is 4 inch. Back neck depth is 3.5 inch. I am drawing a round neck for both front and back. Now I will cut it. Similarly, I will trim the front neck under the armhole. From this point, mark 5 inch, then 10 inch. I am extending these points. So I am placing this fabric at the bottom, then I will give a basting stitch and I will attach with the top. With this cutting is complete, now let's start stitching. I have taken a leftover fabric, this is 2 pieces. Now I am placing the front piece on this. In both the pieces, folded sides are facing together, then I am tracing the neck pattern. Mark 1 inch, then I am going to cut it. Now I am placing this neckline on the main fabric and I am going to give a stitch. I will make a top stitch. Now I am turning the piece by folding it, then I will make a stitch. Similarly, I will finish for the back portion. Now I am attaching both the shoulder. Now I am finishing the armhole by folding it twice at the wrong side of the fabric. I finished attaching both the armholes. Now I will attach only one side. After attaching the frills at the bottom, I will attach the other side. I have taken a fabric, in that I am going to give a basting stitch. After that I will attach that with the top. Firstly I will attach these pieces, then I will fold the bottom and I will make a stitch. I am folding the bottom twice and giving a stitch. I have taken a needle, now I am going to give a basting stitch. I finished giving the basting stitch. I have already adjusted the width of the frills according to my top width. Now I will place this and make a stitch. I am placing the right sides together. I finished attaching and also I overlocked the edges. I am giving a top stitch now. I am attaching the other side. With this, stitching is complete. Thanks for watching.